youth, ya go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, ya star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope you all doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Big up to everybody who have been checking in on this channel. Alright, so let me introduce you to my new favorite female dancehall artist, Spida. I'm sure you have heard of her before. Yes, she did that song and now she has a song with RajahWild. By the way, Act Right is my favorite song right now. And today we are here to review Spida's new song, Call Me. And let me just say this, I love the concept of the video and I think the director did a phenomenal job with the vision he had for this song. Alright, let's kick it off.
Call me when it rains, I'll call you right back, baby. Call me when it rains, I'll be there like that, baby. Call me when it rains, please don't call me with no games, no strings, hey darling, I'm just playing.
Spida said, call me when it rains, which simply means when it's raining and you are lonely, then she should be the first person on your mind for you to call to comfort you, and she will be there like that because she stays ready on standby for you. Just one phone call away, so just call her if you're serious about going to work and do the do. Otherwise, don't call her because she's not here to play games. She's serious about you and want you to be serious about her. That's how she's standing on business. No strings, like no strings attached. Nah, she's just playing. If you want to catch feelings and string along for the ride, then by all means.
You know me, don't play no games. So when you come, my baby, more call you back. You know me, don't really talk a lot. So when me tell you this, me mean it.
Alright, so Spida said, you know me not play games. No time for games because she's a serious bad girl that is about her business. Play a video game if you're into game playing. And if you call her and she miss your call, then just know she will call back because she's calling back about like 7 times probably. Right? She's a soft-spoken person. She don't talk a lot. Not a bad girl of many words. She just goes straight to the point. So when she tell you what she's about, there shouldn't be any doubt in your mind if she means what she said because she's down for it.
Call me when you want me then, cause I'll be here and I'll be ready. I'll be weird cause I'll be scary. I'll be weird, yeah, I'll be weird, yeah. You think you crazy, boy, I'm crazy, yeah.
Call her when you want her because she's born ready, and that readiness is tailored only for you because she knows what she get from you when she's always available to be ready for you. Right? That is how important you are, and she's making a statement by always being prepared for your call. She's a Spida. You will get caught up in her web. You're a rat bat. If you think you are sinfully crazy, she's crazier. Crazy alike.
You know dark early. You know the hot heavy. So I'm call it silly. No me call him many times. Put me in by your heart to make it. Put me in by your heart to make it mine.
Alright, so RajahWild never waste any time. Ratbat said, you know him dark already. Ratbat in charge will dwell in the darkness. That's when he's in his element. Being in the darkness means carrying a heavy heart. Him live and breathe darkness. He's blind to the light like love and soft emotions. So when him call your phone, mama, don't make him call many times. If you say you're always ready for him, then what? Prove that to him and be ready. Just don't say it. Word is win. And if you pledge to go above and beyond, then do it with action. Answer your phone, put him name on your heart and make it his. Two animals try at love, sinful.
Don't be afraid like that, step inside. Cause if the light like darkness, make it shine. Tell me my girl, I'm gonna make it right. Careful when you say this time, only come to your jazz, won't make it slide.
Alright, so RajahWild said, don't be afraid of the darkness. Step inside. Step into my world of darkness. This darkness will engulf you forever, but don't be afraid of it. You're safe with a darkness dweller. If a light or darkness, make it shine. If you're my light, then come and shine on me. And if you're bringing darkness with you, then I will allow it. Tell him your wrongs and he will make it right. You said many things in the past before. Now that you're in the darkness, be careful of what you say in here. But when it comes to your panty, he will make it slide. He will look past anything that has to do with your draws because shifting those draws is top priority. Yo, the boss play on words is immaculate right there. One of the best I've heard in music for a while. You see me? When it comes to your draws, we will make it slide. Bad. Big up Spida, big up RajahWild, and call me, bad song. Spida, I come run the place, I come take it over. I remember when me tell people say Nigeria, I come run the place, cause I remember when Nigeria did his first interview with Cmr TV, and Nigeria get a hit song. I think him get like 1 million views, and nobody never know him. Him never have no industry friends or anything like that. Even that time when him get the million views, him did just have him team where I work with. You see me? And now I'm say the talent and everything. I'm say, yo, say that youth in Nigeria come run the place. I may also do a video on Nigeria. It's still up on the channel. I may say, yo, the youth come run the place. The youth bad, him style different, everything. You see me? Him give me like a Skeng vibe with the whole rough voice, but you know what I mean? Theme thing more unique in a sense, and see there. So said, so done. The man run the place, and me like how the youth really. What him do is him connect with the other young artists them. So him connect with the RajahWild, him connect with the Craft, him connect with all of the other young artists, them Valiant and all them other youth. So I love that. I love what the youth I do right now. And Spida is the next female artist when me see the talent and everything, and me I got tell uno say Spida I come run the place. So Shensia and Jada Kingdom, them better watch out, them better look out, because when Spida come and take over with fear nice style and our singing style, because Shensia have a DJ type of style, Jada Kingdom can do that, but Jada Kingdom mostly sing in a more refined way. And now you have Spida I come sing, yo, hombre. When you listen to Spida song, it come like a R&B level type thing, as such dangerous, you see me? So yeah man, Jada Kingdom better look out man, because Spida come take it over right there. So